let's talk about how you can use TradingView in your phone. First of all, you have to install TradingView from App Store or Play Store, whatever device you have. Then open it, just it will open like that. So when you first come into this place, you will see a lot of option, lot of pair actually, like stocks, crypto, and lots of stuff like future. If you need anything, you can just search like that, whatever you want, you will find it. Like here you can see gold, first one, and second NQ, which is a Nasdaq future actually, and lots of stuff. As you scroll, you will find it. So if you trade on stocks, you will find it here, a lot of stocks available like Nvidia, Tesla, Apple, and AMD, so on. And if you are a future trader, you will also find a lot of available options market. And for Forex, you will also find a lot of pair like Euro USD. Remember, in Forex, there are multiple brokers available like Onda, FXCM, and Forex.com. So you can see a different price change or price movement because the Forex is decentralized, and on the other hand, future is centralized market, so all prices are same. But Forex is a small difference, which is not big at all. And next is crypto. You can also find a lot of crypto coin available, and in this is and lots of so on. You can just, if you need anything, you can just search like that. It will appear first, and you can just place the plus button. It will show up here like that. So let's see how we can use TradingView app now. First of all, when you came this place, you can see a chart, and this is like that. You can draw whatever you want, like you can add trend line, horizontal support, resistance line for analyzing chart, and again Fibonacci zone and pattern and lots of stuff. As a beginner, I suggest you use only few tools like trend line, ray, or horizontal ray. You can add favorite by just double press it like that, and it will directly appear like that, you see. And it is very easier for you to like a draw or analyzing anything. Like if you place a buy position, means long position, you can just draw it here and measure your position by stop loss and risk reward ratio. And you can draw a trend line, which is very essential, and many traders use it regularly. Also, you can draw support and resistance like that. This is a basic drawing tool available here. So if you go more deeper, you will find an indicator option where you will see a lot of indicator actually available. So let's try one. So you can just type the name and it will appear like moving average. So you see now a line appear in my chart, and it is an indicator which is freely available on TradingView. You can just place it and trade and get many trade signal from it. And there are also alarm option, which is very necessary if you trade on like a support level, like a draw and analyze. After you're analyzing the chart, you just wait. When price hit 8,000, 81,000, you will just buy or short from this level. you are just waiting. By setting an alarm, you can delete it later or add it, and which is very simple stuff. And there are replay option, which is for back testing, and there are chart option available like Heikenhashi and line chart, lots of stuff. Like if you place Heikenhashi, you will see all green candle in row or red candle in a row, which is very easy to understand, but I won't recommend it because it's slow. And you can use line chart also. It's a directly chart. You will see where this market is going. The most important and most useful is real candle, and I should recommend it to use it every day because it will help you to get the exact price. So this is from the basic settings, and you can save your chart like that. It's now saving your settings. You can use settings option for customization many things like weekly time and lots of stuff. You can also change your color, candle color. Like if I want all my bullish candle looks white, I just give all three in bullish, and as you see all bullish candle is now white. It's very easy and simple, and if I want to turn it back, I just give all color into green. That's it. Now it's all turned into green. So this is from my settings, and as a beginner I don't suggest you to do a lot of change. And another thing, you can use a grid line. First of all, when you install, your chart looks like a grid line like that, and you can just turn off by using grid line off. It will help you to see the authentic colors. Like, so I can show you how grid line looks like. So as you zoom, wait a little bit. So when I increase the opacity of a grid line, you will see it on my chart. This chart is look like some kind of unusual, so I don't like this, so I just turn it off. You can do it just by go on canvas and use the none option, and it will turn off. And now your chart looks very clean and very easy to understand. And you can analyze a chart from here by using multi-time frame like 1 day, 4 hour, and 1 hour time frame, and so on. Whatever you want, you can analyze it. Like if you draw a line from 1 hour time frame, you can see it on 15 minute, like 15 minutes time frame. That's it, and it will help you to understand what is the current market is doing. That's how you analyze from mobile, and which is very easy and essential when you are traveling or you are far from your PC. It will help you to look at the market current situation. I hope you understand and get my point. If you have any question and suggestion, please give a comments. I will read it and I will make a video about it. Thank you for your time. Take care. Goodbye.